Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw to your picture on the Pixomatic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the plus icon down below and click on Start with Image. Tap on your picture that you want to edit, then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the Draw button and tap on it. Here you can choose from different brushes. As you can see, you have 5 options, brush 1 to brush 5. You can see how they look like. Then you can select its size on this slide, its opacity, and the brush color too. After that, feel free to draw and to change your brush anytime you want to. You can see the difference between them, and you can also change the color anytime you want to, and the opacity and the brush size too. So after you are done with your drawing, tap on the check mark icon in the upper right corner and then you will be able to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.